And here we have crazy ducks eating birds, Canadian geese. And right over here we have the retard duck who isn't allowed to eat. And over here we have fighting birds. Yeah, there's the retard goose over there. Right there. Who's not allowed to eat. Because he's getting chased off right now.
Even the other ones without bands on?
No, they seem to be blending in. It's just this one over here that they won't let him eat. They sure sound like ducks, though. We have the retard goose feeding grounds over here. One getting rather close. And what they are eating right now would be bits of bread and hot dog bun.
That was pretty cool though.
More retarded ducks, geese things. And
I got to bed okay, but
oh, more fighting birds. That's always exciting. Oh, and there's two making out over there.
He explained it to me already once. Oh.
Well, that's not. That doesn't explain separate storms.
Well,
that just explained wind direction.
Well, yeah.
I don't understand. That's just random.
I thought you said it was the circling thing.
Yeah, but that's not different storms.
Well,
That's the same.
And here they are getting pissed off at one another for bits of bread.
That one's really bitchy, eh?
Yeah, there's a couple that are seemingly pubescent. That one seems like it's going to get its butt kicked any minute now. But they might just continue staring at each other forever. Nope, apparently not. And those two are still cleaning, and I don't know why. Retard.
All excited.
Bunch of geese over here. I think that one's taking poo. I don't know. And I no longer know where the retard goose is, but there's a couple eating. That one's flapping its wings. That one's cleaning. And those two are still being weird. Okay. I got a couple of them flapping. I didn't get that one, but I've got quite a few. I got a couple charging at each other. But there is sound on this, so when we play it back, I'm gonna sound like retarded or something. And it seems the ground.
Skeletons of geese.
And it seems the bread supply has left because they seem to be going into the water now. That one's having a heart attack. That one's just doing retarded things. And what else is exciting? Those two seem to have found food. Oh look, another one being retarded. And some of them are taking off. And more duckies. Birdie things. Oh, that was pretty. I sure like to make weird noises, though. And it seems they have left the building.